My name is Jimmy, and for those of you that don't know me, I am a college engineer. Over the past school year, I built a Iron Man suit. Between us, I don't like it, which is why I'm starting completely over, and now I'm going to be building the Mark 85 from Avengers Endgame. Alright, welcome to the first update video. Well, it's a lot more slick compared to this bulky piece of junk that stands here behind me. Right here is the middle piece of the thigh that I was printing yesterday. I have the upper part of the left thigh printing. So this morning I wake up, I go into my living room to check and see how my 3D print's doing, and well, that's the result. Alright, so today I want to do a little something different. And what I'm doing is just kind of showing off everything I have done so far. Alright, so update for today. Today is Sunday. I got one new piece. Alright, welcome back. So today for the update, I have 2 new parts I printed. Alright, welcome back to update number 7. So I got 3 parts printed, and these are parts for the lower back. Alright, welcome back to today's update. I got the entire back printed out. Alright, welcome back to today's video. Everything right here that I have done with the suit. I know I did miss yesterday. Some of the prints were failing. There were some issues I was running into, so I had to redo a couple of the slicings for the Bamboo Lab, which I finally got another print going on that. Over here, I have my longer 5K setup, which is slowly printing a part. Alright, quick update for today. I got some more 3D prints going right now. Alright, welcome to Thursday's update. Actually, a really good update. It's looking really good. Wow, this brings back a lot of good memories. Alright, welcome to today's update video. Today is update number 16. I finally got the lower left leg done. Alright guys, I got another big Iron Man suit update today. Here I got the new left leg reprinted. Alright, welcome back to update number 17 on the Iron Man suit. Everything seems to be working out pretty well. So, safe to say I got the entire left leg done. Alright, welcome back to another Iron Man suit update. So, as you can see, I have the entire upper body. Alright, welcome back to today's update. I got done half of right leg. Alright, so today I have a massive Iron Man suit update. If I lean all the way down, let this piece bend right here. Hey everyone, so today I got another Iron Man suit update. I got both the shoes done. It's really well, likewise here. Alright, a new little suit update I have for today. As you can tell right here, I have some parts that have been applied with putty just to help out with some of the rougher surfaces or little mistakes I made during some power sander. Well, this is definitely starting to come a lot more together. So as we're recording this, it is actually Wednesday, April 22nd, meaning that I still have 8 days until the month is over, which is my hard deadline to get this done, so just a week and 1 day. Alright, so I'm going to start painting the suit today. Hey everyone, so a little suit update. I have officially 2 days left. I'm still finishing painting the suit. I still expect to get the suit done in time. That's the goal. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. I spent the remaining 2 days doing absolutely nothing but spray painting and finishing the last few details on the suit. Unfortunately, I did have to cut some corners with the electronics just to have everything done on time. However, I do plan to coat up some more quality electronics here in the next week versus just using cheap ceiling lights from Home Depot. Aside from that, the paint turned out really good in my opinion, and the suit turned out a lot more polished and detailed than my Mark III suit. But with that all being said, here is the moment you've been waiting for to see the finished project.